In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create and customize arrows in your design work using the line tool. The line tool is a handy feature that allows you to add arrows to your projects, making it easier to point out important details or guide the viewer's eye. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's find and select the line tool. You might notice that the line tool isn't immediately visible in your toolbar. No worries, it's nestled among the shape tools. Simply press the U key on your keyboard repeatedly until the line tool appears. Cycling through like this ensures you select the correct tool for creating your arrow. Now that you have the line tool ready, let's move on to setting up the arrowheads. You'll want to look towards the top of your workspace. In the options bar, there's a little gear icon. Clicking on this will open up the arrowhead settings. Here, you have the choice of placing an arrowhead at the end of your line, or if you prefer, on both ends. For most uses, selecting the end option will create a single directional arrow that clearly points the way. But if you're highlighting something in two directions, the start and end option might be the one for you. Go ahead and adjust the width and length sliders to size the arrowhead to your liking. This step ensures your arrowhead is the right fit for your design's scale and style. With the arrowhead settings squared away, it's time to draw your arrow on the canvas. Click and drag to create the line. Here's a useful tip. Holding down the Shift key while you drag the line constrains the angle to 45-degree increments. This helps you ensure that the line is straight and aligned perfectly with your design elements, preventing any unwanted tilting. After you've drawn your arrow, you can customize its appearance to better suit your design. Look back up to the options bar. Here, you can change the stroke color to match your color scheme and adjust the stroke weight to get the look just right. A heavier weight gives emphasis, while a lighter weight can be more subtle. For precise positioning, use the Move tool. Press V to grab the Move tool and shift your arrow exactly where it needs to be in your layout. And there you have it, a perfectly created and customized arrow, ready to enhance your design or presentation. I hope this guide was helpful. With these skills, you'll be able to highlight and direct attention in your projects more effectively than ever before. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!